for prediction, and our topic is storage, right? As we have already discussed, let us revise the previous things, and the previous things which are already in progress, that are agricultural practices, right? And in this agricultural practices, the first point which we are doing, preparation of soil. Second one, adding manure and fertilizer. Third, sowing the seed. After fourth, irrigation. Fifth, weeding. Sixth, harvesting. Seventh, storage. So, in agricultural practices, we have already discussed its 6 points. The number 1, preparation of soil. The number 2, adding manure and fertilizer. Number 3, sowing. Number 4, irrigation. Number 5, weeding. Number 6, harvesting. Yesterday we have cleared the harvesting, and in the harvesting we have already discussed about the 3 points. Number 1, harvesting. Number 2, thrashing. Number 3, winnowing. So today we are going to start our new topic and the new thing and new start, and that is storage. So in storage, what we are doing actually, we are once crop is harvested, then it is dried because it contains moisture. So it is dried. Now, after drying, it is packed in gunny bags and jute bags. gunny you understood? बोरियों में भर दिए जाते हैं, या फिर जूट के बैग होते हैं. In that you are just storing them, right? Now, for storing purpose, there should be some condition. At that place, condition of storage place. At that place where you are storing your granary or the seeds, that should be clean. It should be dry. It should be free from small animals like rat. If all these things will not be fulfilled, then your crop will not remain protected, right? And it should be always inspected. Should be inspected for the moisture, right? Neem should be kept. To protect from. Neem should be kept to protect from insects and microorganisms. All these things are necessary for the storage purpose, for that place also, and all these things are very important. Now if you are storing other things like vegetables and other like fruits and all other things which are not the granaries, right? That are always stored at a place that is called cold storage. Why they are kept in cold storage only? Because in cold temperature remains low and they do not get wasted, right? For that purpose they are stored in cold storage. For example, like potato, or directly you can say vegetable and fruits. These things are stored in the cold storage, right? At those places you are just storing them. So once again check it out. The storage is there. Once crop is harvested, then it is dried because it contains moisture. It is packed in gunny bags and jute bags. What are the conditions of storage? Place, it should be clean, it should be dry, it should be free from small animals like rat, it should be inspected for the moisture, and the fifth one is there, neem should be kept to protect from insects and microorganisms. The next thing is there, that is cold storage. And at that cold storage, potato, vegetables and fruits, all these things are stored, right? So for this purpose we are just using the cold storage, right? So now I am just offering you few questions for your homework. Try to solve out that question from the today's lecture, and it is necessary to write them in your notebook. It is also necessary to learn them daily because it will help you later on during your exam, and these questions will come in the same form, in the same manner in your exam. So let us take your homework first, and let me write down that homework. Homework. Question number 1. What do you mean by storage? Question number 2. Write any 3 conditions of the place where we store the granary. Question number 3. At which place we store our vegetables and fruits, right? Why should we keep neem leaves in our granaries? So these are the 4 questions which you have to solve today, and this is your homework for today. The question number 1 is there. What do you mean by storage? Question number 2 is there. Write any 3 conditions of the place where we store the granaries. Question number 3 is there. At which place we store our vegetables and fruits. Question number 4 is there. Why should we keep neem leaves in our granaries? So these are the 4 questions which you have to solve. So thank you for today. Thank you class. Thank you very much.